This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Todoist. So I'm right here on the Todoist main downloads page. You can find this page at todoist.com/downloads. Now, I will of course put that URL as a link just below this video in the video description, so you can just click on that link and wind up here. Now, Todoist, the download page, will know when you come to this page what operating system you have. It has correctly identified that I'm on Mac OS, and I do have Mac OS Silicon. There's an option here for the Intel chips as well. You got the Mac Silicon chips right there. Now, if for some reason it doesn't recognize your operating system, or you want a different option, they have Todoist for Linux, for Windows. There's an iPhone, an iPad, Android, Apple Watch, and even a Wear OS option, whatever that is. But there's a ton of different options. Not even sure what that one is. It's some sort of wearable, I guess. But you can get the browser extension. There's email add-ons that you can download right here. So yeah, essentially this download page will enable you to download them on any platform. So if it misidentifies for whatever reason your operating system, or you do maybe on a Mac but you want to get the Windows version for whatever reason, you can just click right here and you'll see the download button for Windows. Now, if you are on Windows, when you come to this downloads page, rather than seeing this for Mac OS, you'll see this for Windows. But like I say, I'm on a Mac, so I will click right here for downloads. For Mac OS Silicon, this red button here, we click on that and automatically you see the icon went flying up there, which is the universal symbol on a Mac that something has been downloaded. Now, depending on your browser setup, your download location might be different to mine. I'm on a Mac, like I say, with Google Chrome. So all of my downloads go to my downloads folder. Your downloads location might be different, but hopefully you have enjoyed and got a lot out of this short video on how to download Todoist, how to find and download Todoist. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.